As you can see, I got a broken sprinkler head. I ran over with my lawnmower the other day. Just chop it right off. I used a big shovel to cut through the grass. And try to get some of the dirt off, at least on the surface. If you want to make it easier, you can just soak the ground with water and let it sit for a little bit before you start digging. And after that, I use a small garden shovel, try to dig all the dirt out to get to the bottom. Then you can use a pair of pliers, try to break it loose, and then take it out with your hand. And then try to remove all the water out as much as you can. And clean the sprinkler head pipe connector with paper towel. Try to get all the dirt out from the thread. As you can see, this is the old part and the new part. They're the same size, just different brand, but it's compatible. Make sure you hand tighten it, don't use the pliers to over tighten it. As you can see, there's two little arrows pointing. Make sure it's pointing to the yard. That's where the water is coming out. And then turn on the sprinkler to test it out and check to make sure that there's no water leaking from the thread. Then you're done. After that, just put all the dirt back in, and that's it. Thumbs up and subscribe.